High ping in Overwatch 2 can significantly affect your gaming experience. This guide will help you troubleshoot and reduce your ping for a smoother gameplay experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for gaming. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, as it typically provides a more reliable and lower latency experience. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching Overwatch 2, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that use the internet, such as streaming services or downloads, can consume bandwidth and increase your ping. Step 3. Change server region. In the game settings, check if you are connected to the optimal server region. Sometimes connecting to a server closer to your location can help reduce ping. You can change your server region in the game as settings menu. Step 4. Optimize network settings. Adjust your router settings for optimal performance. This may include enabling quality of service QoS settings to prioritize gaming traffic, or changing your DNS settings to a faster DNS provider like Google DNS or OpenDNS. Step 5. Contact your internet service provider. If you continue to experience high ping after trying the above steps, reach out to your internet service provider ISP. They may be able to identify issues with your connection or suggest upgrades to improve your internet speed. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce your ping and enhance your Overwatch 2 gaming experience. Happy gaming!